Hey drink lovers, let's explore the amazing world of drinks from simple water to powerful energy drinks. Water. Water is the most basic and essential drink in the world. It contains no calories, flavors, or additives and is vital for hydration and survival. People drink it plain or mineralized, and it forms the base for nearly every other beverage. Coffee. Coffee is a brewed drink made from roasted coffee beans. It is known for its strong aroma and natural caffeine content, which helps increase alertness and energy. Coffee can be served black or combined with milk, sugar, and flavorings in many different styles.
There.
Tea is made by steeping leaves from the tea plant in hot water. It comes in many varieties such as black, green, oolong, and herbal blends. Tea is popular worldwide because it can be light and refreshing or strong and energizing depending on how it is prepared. Juice. Juice is created by extracting liquid from fruits or vegetables. It naturally contains sugars, vitamins, and flavors from the original produce. Orange juice, apple juice, and grape juice are among the most common types enjoyed for both taste and nutrition. Milk. Milk is a creamy drink produced by mammals and commonly consumed from cows, goats, or plant-based alternatives. It is rich in calcium, protein, and nutrients that support bone health. Milk can be drunk plain or used as a base for many other beverages.
Soda.
Soda is a carbonated soft drink that contains flavored syrup and dissolved carbon dioxide gas. This creates the fizzy bubbles that give soda its signature sensation. It is usually sweetened and comes in a wide variety of flavors. Smoothie. A smoothie is a thick blended drink made from fruits, vegetables, yogurt, or milk. The ingredients are blended together with ice to create a creamy texture. Smoothies are often enjoyed as a quick meal or nutritious snack. Milkshake. A milkshake is a dessert-style drink made by blending milk with ice cream and flavorings such as chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry. The result is a rich, thick beverage often topped with whipped cream or syrup. Hot chocolate. Hot chocolate is a warm drink made from cocoa powder or melted chocolate mixed with hot milk or water. It is sweet and comforting, often enjoyed in cold weather. Some versions include whipped cream, marshmallows, or spices. Energy drink. Energy drinks are beverages designed to boost energy and focus. They usually contain caffeine, sugar, and ingredients like taurine or vitamins. These drinks are often marketed toward people who need a quick burst of alertness. Sports drink. Sports drinks are formulated to help replenish fluids and electrolytes lost during physical activity. They usually contain water, sugar, and minerals such as sodium and potassium. Athletes commonly drink them to maintain hydration and performance. Lemonade. Lemonade is a refreshing drink made from lemon juice, water, and sugar. It balances sour citrus flavor with sweetness and is commonly served cold. Variations include sparkling lemonade and fruit-infused versions.